I'm David Hahn, founder and CEO of Dahon Technology, recently gone public in Hong Kong. Today we're going to be talking about green mobility. We are seeing a substantial growth in the folding bike market globally, from 2 million in 2019 to 4 million nowadays. That's a doubling in 5 years. There are several reasons. First one is that people are more conscious of health these days, so biking is a good exercise. Secondly, because people are more urbanized now. About half the world's population are now urbanized. The third is because of the new materials developed for folding bikes, so that some of our bikes are now faster than many name brand road bikes now. The biggest headwind is IPR infringement. Being a leader in the folding bike business, we of course invested a lot of money in R&D. We had so much invention, and just one company to use them is not very efficient. So we wanted to share with our peers in order to earn a little bit more license fees and raise their standards at the same time. But in those days, these new products were being copied almost instantly by other copycatters. Now the laws become stricter. That helped a lot of innovative companies, including Dahon. In the long run, Hong Kong and China is going to do well because China is stable, and that helps Hong Kong. Another point is, of course, Hong Kong is much more liquid in money. A lot of people are interested in China, but Hong Kong has such a wealth of English-speaking experts. They can hire Hong Kong people and extend themselves into China. Folding bikes are now comfortable, safe, lightweight, and convenient. Replacing road bikes with foldable bikes is going to be a growing trend.